Indulge in the sublime art of crafting creme brulee, a timeless French dessert that combines silky custard with a crisp, caramelized sugar crust. Embark on your culinary journey by assembling the essential ingredients: heavy cream, pure vanilla extract, sugar, and egg yolks. In a saucepan, gently heat the cream and vanilla until it's almost ready to simmer. Stir in the sugar until it dissolves, infusing the mixture with sweet vanilla essence. In a separate bowl, whisk the egg yolks until they attain a pale and smooth consistency. Gradually pour the warm cream mixture into the yolks, whisking continuously to create a harmonious custard base. To ensure a velvety texture, strain the custard before divvying it among your chosen ramekins. The next step involves the gentle embrace of the oven. Bake your custards in a water bath until they set but retain a delicate jiggle at their centers. Once baked, allow the custards to cool before placing them in the refrigerator to achieve the perfect chill. Now, the pièce de résistance, the signature caramelized sugar crust. Prior to serving, sprinkle a generous layer of sugar atop each custard. Grab a kitchen torch and, with an artist's precision, caramelize the sugar until it transforms into a tantalizing golden crust, creating a delightful contrast to the creamy custard beneath. As you savor the first spoonful, the rich custard yields to the crackling resistance of the caramelized sugar, delivering a symphony of textures and flavors to your palate. Creme Brulee, a dessert that epitomizes elegance and decadence, inviting you to experience the artistry of French culinary tradition.